Now we are going to start at what are the rules, like if you want to draw images for the ray diagram, for the concave mirror, then what are the rules which we need to follow. So the first rule, suppose I have a concave mirror and this is my polished surface, this is my principal axis, as you all know, pole, this is my center of curvature. Now we see that a ray coming parallel to principal axis, there is a possibility that incident ray comes parallel to the principal axis. So if incident ray comes parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection obviously it is going to pass through focus. So this is the rule you need to remember. What's that? A ray coming parallel to principal axis, always, this happens always, after reflection passes through focus. So whenever a ray is coming parallel to principal axis, then if somebody asks you to trace its path, just pass it through F. Next is, there can be a chance, again I will just complete this figure, this is my polished surface, my principal axis, pole, C, right. So whenever a ray suppose a ray is coming from F, because source can be anywhere, it can be above, it can be below, anywhere, right. So if a ray appears to be coming from F, then where after reflection where does it go? It just become parallel to principal axis, it is just opposite to it. So we will say that a ray coming from F after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. Suppose a ray is coming from F, then after reflection it is going to become parallel to principal axis. Now there again we have another rule. Let me complete this figure. A shiny surface, again my principal axis, pole and C. There can be a chance that a ray is coming from C. There can be a chance a ray is coming from C. Then where does it go after reflection? It just retraces its path. So I will write here, a ray coming from C rebounds back or retrace its path. One more rule, it may be not given in your book, but you need to do that. Suppose this is my concave mirror, polished surface, again a principal axis, pole and C. Suppose there can be a chance that a ray strikes the pole at certain angle. There can be a chance a ray strikes the pole at certain angle, let us say angle I. Then after reflection it is going to suffer a same angle reflection, that means it is going to reflect like this and angles are going to remain same. As we all know that whenever the reflection occur at certain angle, so the reflected ray also move through a same angle. So this is what. So that means whenever it strikes the pole at certain angle, with the same angle it gets reflected back. So these are the 4 rules which you need to follow. I think you got it. A ray coming parallel after reflection passes through F. Opposite to that, a ray coming from F after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. Third, when it strikes at certain angle at pole, by same angle it gets reflected back, and when it is coming from C, it just retraces its path. So these are the rules in order to obtain image from concave mirror.